Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can change your app recommendation settings if you're running Windows 11. So let's go. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is search for your settings. So if you're going down into the search bar, you can go ahead and type in settings and navigate through that way, or you can just go ahead and type in storage settings. It'll take you straight to your storage settings. From here, you can see on the left-hand side, you want to go ahead and tap on apps. So here, we're going to go ahead and look for advanced app settings, and we're going to click on that. Now, inside here at the top, it says choose where to get apps, and these are now your recommendations on Windows 11. So at the right hand side, it says anywhere. You can change it to anywhere, but let me know if there's a comparable app in the Microsoft Store. We also have anywhere, but warn me before installing an app that's not from the Microsoft Store. And then we have the Microsoft Store only, which is recommended. However, by default, I actually had this setting on anywhere, so I'm going to leave it like that. However, you can change it according to your needs and your desires. If this video was helpful, drop us a like, leave your comments down below. We'll see you next time. Cheers.